Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share for more, and then in support of my channel as well. Thank you. Today's video is about my usual morning routine with nature. Okay, when I say nature, I mean my crops, my plants, and then the animals. Okay, yeah. So my 2 hours morning routine streamed it down to 7 minutes. Ginger leaf smells really good. I've touched that side too. My God. When will it be ready? Because I don't know. I don't know. I'm not aware. I don't know when it will be ready, but it's so great. The other ones are very down below, but these ones are very tall. I don't know if it's because it's close to the war. I don't know. Probably I give it too much water, right? And my mom is calling me. Okay, enough of that. After I'm done with my backyard, I come back to the front of the house. Then I water my mango. Then onto my saps. Okay, so those are my pawpaw seedlings I nursed. Okay, they are ready to be uprooted. I've uprooted some already, but these ones were very little when I was uprooting, so I haven't uprooted them yet. I will do that later. Now these are my saps. I am watching them. There are two. This is the first one. This is the second one. So yeah, the Holy Spirit. Then the water that I left, I give them one. I stop off and I give the other one to one. Then I bring the rest to my pawpaw mango and then tomatoes. Some more tomatoes. Come on, then I say good morning to my rabbit. After the good morning and I water the okra and everything is done, I come to feed them. And oh, these are my okras, okay? See, the backyard is shaped in an L form because we don't want the goats to come here and destroy the crops, okay? So the pepper, there was maize here, but eta, it's a fan eta. So now the we have only okra. This is the ginger, okay? So okra, ginger, and then pepper. The small ones down there are pepper, and then the slim things are okra. Moya, you see? She's very stubborn for my liking. Very. And Aduko is always ready to eat. My yellow. Cute. Oh, listen. Aduko can't be seen because he's up here. Whilst all of them are eating down here. Okay? He's waiting for presidential treatment. Aduko. She's like really so. What can we do? Amongst the goats, I mean, yeah. Amongst the fowls. Anyway, the small ones that are always in between there are the last ones. Their mom is somewhere else and then they are here eating. I'm going to be their mom soon. And then they'll go and join their mom and eat. And oh yeah, they are back to eat. Now Adukwe eats with them, okay? So whenever you come back to serve them, Adukwe will come back. Obedidi. Yeah. The tiny ones. Those are the last babies for the end. And then the goats. This is my last baby. Last baby Adukwe. So with animals, I learned that once a young animal, like anytime, whether they go to the end, when they are eating and then the elderly ones come, they have to leave for the elder ones to eat. Okay, so you see the way the mama hen came to sack the other ones. And we and they were her kids before, but because she was dealing with another kid, she doesn't know them. So yeah. So once I'm done with them, I go back to my rabbits, feed them. At this point, I've given them the food already, so then they eat. Then I'm done for the morning, okay? Because I've slept and everything already. Then I do my other personal stuffs, which I couldn't record because, yeah, I'm so tired. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back with another video. Thank you all. Bye.